Hi, I'm Bonnie Murphy. I'm a research group leader at the Max Planck Institute of Biophysics, and today I'd like to give you a first impression of what life is like in our group. Okay, what is your research focus? So in my group, we're all about understanding how redox and metalloproteins work. This is a relatively diverse group of proteins that plays important roles in the core bioenergetic processes of cells, but also important roles in defense, communication, and regulation. What methods and techniques do you use? So in our group, we use a combination of biochemical techniques with single particle cryo-EM to understand how the structure of redox and metalloproteins allows them to carry out their specialized functions. We use special tools to control and measure the redox potential of protein solutions so that we can understand how the protein structure changes with redox state. Why have you become a researcher? So my main driver throughout my whole career has been curiosity. The more I have learned about the biological world, the more fascinated I've been to learn more about the complexity of life at the microscopic level, in particular the way that the evolutionary process has modified and rearranged protein complexes for different roles and reactions in the cell. How would you describe the working environment in your group? We have a highly diverse group and very interactive. And we're also very open, and being open means also being open about things that aren't working and mistakes that we make, because we know that only in discussing these things we can learn and succeed together more quickly. We're a supportive group, and we feel that that's an important part of how we can do the kind of courageous and groundbreaking science that we would like to do. So, who is a scientist who inspires you? It's a little bit cliche, but I would have to say probably Richard Feynman. If you've ever read his writings or watched interviews or lectures that he gave, you really have the impression that throughout his life and his career, he kept this sense of profound wonder at how mind-bogglingly amazing the world that we live in really is. Something like that. Thanks for joining us for a first impression of life in our group. We hope to see you on campus in the fall.